Hi, I'm Rishabh. In this video, I'll explain you why your WhatsApp marketing template message sent using WhatsApp official API are not getting delivered. And why are you seeing the errors like the message was not delivered to maintain a healthy ecosystem engagement? And what you should do instead if your marketing message keep failing. If you are running a WhatsApp marketing campaign and around 20 to 30% or even more of your messages are failing, this video will help you understand the exact reason behind it. For this demonstration, I'll be using SandeshAI, a WhatsApp automation and a marketing platform. So let's get started. Now, one important thing I want to discuss is about WhatsApp template message delivery rates. Marketing template messages usually have around 70 to 80% delivery rate or sometime even less. That means if you send message to 1 lakh people, only around 70 to 80,000 people will actually receive the WhatsApp message. But the utility and authentication template messages have 100% delivery rate as long as the number exists on WhatsApp. Now here inside the Sandesh AI, let's say if you open any campaign, let's say this is the campaign and click on this view insight here. As you can see in this campaign, only around 70% of messages are sent and around 30% messages are failed. And this is not just with the Sandesh AI. This is the same with all the WhatsApp automation platforms because this is controlled from Meta side. So let's understand why the message fails. If we go to the fail tab here, click on the fail tab here. Sandesh also shows the number where the message failed along with the exact reason why it failed. If we understand the top level reason why the message get failed, it is because WhatsApp does not want to ruin the user experience. That is their top priority. Let's say if multiple business have your WhatsApp number and all of them start sending you marketing message, your experience will be filled with promotional messages and eventually you may even uninstall the WhatsApp. WhatsApp does not want that to be happen. That is the main reason why WhatsApp applies these restrictions. These are the top three error messages which you will get. First is this, second one is this, and the third one is this. This message was not delivered to maintain healthy ecosystem engagement. This is the most common error message you will see. What this means is that during a certain time period, a WhatsApp user can only receive a limited number of marketing messages. The exact number is not publicly defined by Meta. If the user has already received enough number of marketing messages in a day, your message will fail. This error also appears if the user has not engaged with many of the marketing messages they received recently. In that case, they may receive fewer marketing messages. If you get this error, you should wait at least 24 hours before sending the message to again to that person. This is the complete official doc from Meta explaining this. I'll share the link in the description as well. The second type of error is message undeliverable. This usually means is that this number is not on WhatsApp. The third error is user's number is a part of an experiment. This error rarely appears. It means that a small percentage of WhatsApp users are a part of a marketing experiment by Meta. These users will not receive marketing template. Meta run these experiment for an internal testing purpose. You can learn more about this in official documentation, which is this. I'll share the link in the description. Also, if you receive any other error message apart from these, you can check the official error code documentation from WhatsApp. I'll share all these links in the description. Now, the important question is what should you do if you really want the message to be delivered? If the message is important and fits the utility category, you should create a utility template instead of a marketing template and send that. Utility template messages are considered transactional, such as update related messages, and as I mentioned earlier, they have close to 100% delivery rate if the number is on WhatsApp. That's all for this video.